They made it so complicated and everything. I did some birthday thing. I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, all right. They make it right over there in the other country or something, yeah, but
Alexia!
I think over here. Yeah. Did you want it? Oh, no, I'm good. Yeah, we thought they saved $1
Hello, I'm Dean Riggs. I'm with the Boys and Me. We build rustic frames out of old barns and houses from here in Florida and Tennessee. We have dates on the back of the frames of when the house or barn was built and what we do with the frames. Please come inside and take a look at our frames. Here's a few of our frames. Our popular style is our beach style. It's our slat frames. It all comes from barns from here in Florida. These were from hay barns in Ormond. We have our other frames. They're Peggy Cypress. This came from the Joseph Underhill house in Barberville. It was built in 1892. The Peggy Cypress was the siding, then the pine that I've outlined it with was the floorboards in the house. Then we have fence boards. These were cedar. Then we have poplar, sweet gum. Then over here, this is where all my finished frames start with. We have our rustic frames, the old barn. We have heart pine. This heart pine, it came from a barn in Bunnell, built in 1903. Then we have our fence boards from Cody's Corner. Then our different woods, our oaks from Tennessee. We have our cedar shelves. Those are also fence boards from Cody's Corner. And then we have our surfboards. I don't imagine the barn ever figured out it'd be a surfboard one day.
She's living with her now.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because he had no place to go, he had this huge growth on the side of him.
Rick, what instrument is that?
This is a type of steel tongue drum. This particular brand is a Zen tambour. That's the name that the maker gives this. There's other types. It's also called a hand pan. The blue one, yeah. I've got a blue one made out of a propane tank.
I like the red one.
Yeah. But yeah, this is a Zen tambour.
Coming from what country?
It's made by a man who lives in California, I believe. Yeah, but it sounds very much like sounds kind of like a steel drum, kind of like gongs. And there's also a ballet instrument that has a very similar sound, a gamelan, I believe it's called. So,
how would people find out more information about the instrument or you as a musician?
You could Google handpan, HANDPPAN. Do a Google search, and of course I'm Rick DeYampert, and if you Google Rick DeYampert, you will find my website, richdeyampert.com. Very good,